Folks, new day, and you can see the old Napco. She's in the shop. We're going to be playing with it for a little bit. Well, I shouldn't say playing with it. It just needs a little bit of TLC. I got an exhaust leak or a header leak, so I'm kind of working on. We got some gaskets, so we're going to kind of do that right away. Because I'm pretty sure it's the collector that's leaking. Because they've come loose so many times, I think the gaskets are bunk. So we'll try some copper ones in there, see if that works better. And then I noticed, looks like a couple little leaks underneath. So I don't know. We'll go have a peek, see what's going on. I'm not going to spend too much time. Kind of just doing a little maintenance, that's all. Well, unfortunately, looks like I got the wrong collector, so not too much I can do. I'm just going to get underneath there, and you can see some of the leaks. We got something here, so I'm going to just try to snug up the oil pan, because it kind of looks like where it's leaking. Other than that, there's not too much else I can see. Because there's a little bit on the starter, but I don't know where it would be coming from, unless it's like a rear seal. I don't know. Other than that, everything else is holding out pretty good under here. So I guess I'll just give it a little, we'll grease up the front end and send her on her way, I guess. Until I can, this one's just too big. It'll work for that truck actually, but not so much for these headers. All right, well, seeing how I still have the truck in there, I am going to actually do a little bit of shopping. I gotta fix the wing window. I'm missing the crank for it, and I gotta go find something in the yard to scab to, I need the washer tank. That truck is a little bit sucky in the, this time of weather here, this time of year. Yeah. Anyways, let's hunt around for a washer tank. I think I have some in the shed, and then we'll have to hook those up. So at least I have some kind of a squirt system to spray onto the window. Soon. We're gonna get back on that. I got a few things to tie up, and then we'll be on that thing. Like I have this one. It's going to need a chassis swap yet, so stay tuned for that. That's coming. Eh? Looks pretty nice, eh? So that was a fail. All I managed to find was a wiper arm. I have no tanks. I don't know what you want to call them. I have no washer fluid tanks. I gotta go check the barn yet, because maybe Ryder moved some of the stuff in there, so we'll see if there's something in there yet. It'd be kind of nice to, just because of the slop, that truck kind of sucks when you gotta do the old water bottle out the window there. Ooh, is it slippery in here? Oh, look. It's small, but it's better than the one that I have. Cool. I don't think I have another one in here though. Nope. That is it. Cool. Well then, I will see you folks in the shop. Well, I got the tank all together. It's, I built this thing super quick to basically mount it. We put the hose I got the little pump, everything all on there. It's good. I still got to slide this out and put in a new blade into there, or like a new old stock used, hopefully better than the one that I have in there. This will probably just get mounted wherever it is convenient. I'll figure that out after. It doesn't hold very much though, it's pretty small, but it's better than what I got. Anyways, I gotta go outside. I'm gonna go find some squirters there so we can actually, I don't want to make anything. I'll try to pull it off something modern, and hopefully I can kind of adapt them up on top of the vent just to squirt up on the window, and then we'll just wire it to a simple push button inside the truck. Anywho, gonna grab a couple tools. I think there's still a car or two outside here that we can steal some parts from, so. Well now, we got a few things to choose from out here. And I'm thinking S10 is what we're gonna use. A mucho needed. At least I think they're the easiest squirters to take. No, that's kind of crap. No. Does this have anything? I think I stole it all from there already. And those are like built in. That's kind of lame. What are left for choices? I don't think I can take from that. I could probably. Let's see. What do you got? I don't like that either. Yikes, eh? This is how our stuff rots out here. Not so great. Those are on the wipers. I wonder if I can glue those down to something. Oh, they're up there. Oh, look, these have got like dual squirters. Check that out. That one squirts to that one. Whoops. All right. I'm gonna try to get this stuff off and see if we can make it work. Well, I don't know how successful that was. I mean, I did get some stuff, but I guess we'll see how useful the stuff is. Well, I feel that fits pretty good there. Get a screw in there first, then we'll try to pull it out. All right. How good or bad did I do it? I feel it's good, but I don't know. I guess time will tell if I don't find it flopped out there somewhere. Maybe I put one more screw. We'll try that. Oh, it's so much better. Perfect. All right. Now, unfortunately, I can't find a T. So this is we're only going to have a driver's side squirter. That's okay. Esther's used to that. I usually only have a driver's side wiper, or a lot of my cars when they're old and the vacuum wipers don't work, then I usually take one wiper off, and then usually I have plenty of power after. All right, let's figure this out. I got to put this in. We're going to drill one hole, and I'm going to glue that squirter up there, and then we'll jimmy rig a button in there and see how it works. Well, folks, we have complete success. We have, which kind of aggressively goes against the roof, but I think when I drive, it'll be better. And we got our, well, at least my wipers work. I didn't actually fix everything I needed to on the truck, but it's all right. We got some stuff done. That's all that matters. Yeah, I guess we'll just go back on the old Roadster now.